Welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives, and today you join me in the Evora 400. As I explained in my last video, JM on Cars has kindly lent me this for the next 3 weeks. We are taking it up to Newcastle for a bit of a driving holiday. Should be awesome. Espree's staying at home today. It's sad. But anyway, it'd be nice to see how it compares to the other cars that I have. I'm primarily comparing this to the 911 just to see what it's like to just generally live with. As you can see, James has got these fixed buckets which make things a little bit tricky getting the luggage into the back. And as you can see, if I just press this button, we'll be able to open the boot. And there's a couple of small bags in the back there, but generally you can't fit an awful lot in this. Engine's right there. What I have noticed about this is this compartment gets extremely warm, which is probably quite a given really, considering that the engine is sitting right there. But yeah, luggage just does generally get very hot. The car is looking fantastic. Looking pretty awesome. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Generally a really good drive, quite easy to drive, been quite comfortable, especially with the traction, not the traction control, the cruise control. So yeah, generally it's been really good, even despite the weather. Oh, hello. Hi. And then can you go right back, please? What? She okay? Who, her? Yeah. She's alright. You're on YouTube. Woo! Oh, we have a tunnel. Generally, first impressions with this car are you get the practicality to an extent, but you also get the thrill factor as well, which is kind of ultimately what you want. So no cup holders. Yeah, that is a bit of an issue. We're married. Yes. 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 Very good. Yes. 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 Do you approve? Are you in this?
No.
Charlie drives. Charlie drives a Robert. Charlie drives a Robert. Sorry, James. Your steering wheel fell off the car. We have a big problem. Shall I pretend I'm in mid-vlog?
Ready?
Apparently we can't say or shit or fuck.
Can't just blur it out, you just have to bleep it out.
Yeah, I can bleep it out, but it means editing is going to be much harder for me. So where are we going to go now?
We need to start heading back.
Alright. Through the mountain roads with the sheep?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
The sheep?
that's it, that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Oh, my phone just passed.
What's this device?
This is a steering wheel.
Which is for
Came off a Lotus.
make sure when you come
Mate,
Lots of things come off Lotuses.
This is not a challenge. The three of you must head back to your hotel through some of the best driving roads in the country. You're not allowed to go to a petrol station on the way back. The winner will be the one to collect the most bugs on the... I thought it said drugs. On the way back. If you run out of fuel, you'll save miles.
Cool.
Alright,
So
sounds
we've
like
got
a
to collect
challenge.
bugs, get back.
Collect bugs, get
Don't
back to
get
the
lost
hotel,
and-
not allowed to fill up. Shit,
Google Maps.
I should have put more than 20 quid in it then last time
Beehive.
we stopped off at the
Yeah, but
station.
you're fine if you run out of miles, because...
Well, I'm not doing any miles, am I?
No, you're not, no. You're being towed.
I'm being towed,
Yeah.
being pushed. All right.
You can be
Sounds
Francis
good.
and I'll be Bowser.
Deal.
All right.
Sounds
Let's
like a
go.
party.
All right.
Where are we anyway?
I don't know. Somewhere in Scotland. B&M.
B&M.
Dodgiest B&M. Dodgiest car park in Scotland, man.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Can I have that back, please?
No. The roads around here are absolutely incredible. We've just done quite a bit of driving just to explore. It's pretty amazing, to be honest, around here. Just look at the views. Look at the views. Unbelievable. Such a good place to come and drive your car. Great place to give this a bit of a review as well. Evora 400 doing extremely well indeed.
We haven't said anything on ours, Charlie.
Why have you not said anything on yours?
Fucking miserable.
What did you say?
Said. To you.
I just have to edit it out
What should we?
if you say shit or bugger.
Hi, here we are driving
What,
on
I
some
can't say
roads.
shucks or bugger?
Yeah.
Shucks or buggers?
Shucks or bugger? What about fuck?
You can say fuck as many times as you want.
Do you want my camera
Roads
then?
have been.
Yeah.
The roads have been very, very good, and places have been jiggly, and it's very annoying when people
They've been very
get.
jiggly. The roads have been incredibly jiggly.
I personally
Awfully jiggly
is
roads.
it a bit jiggly? I think what
At one point,
Charlie, do tell us what you think,
we hit
please.
a crest for about 5 minutes. I looked over, she was like that.
she's asleep. Is she
What?
asleep?
Knocked out by your own chest.
When? Oh.
Bollocks.
No, I think
Oh, no,
actually.
you're coming now.
I think actually at that point, that's when you said, "Oh no, it would be hard to have got one."
What? I thought I wasn't talking.
Lambs. They're in the road.
Sorry, just said no.
No.
Now you f*** off, mate.
Oh, I live here.
It's such funny noises. GoPro, be a hero. You can really hear the whooshing of the supercharger in this as well. It's brilliant. As soon as you put your foot down, you just whoosh. Hear that? You open your driver's side window, the sound will be better.
My passenger side window.
Sorry.
You're not the right driver, though, right?
You're a left driver, left-hand seat driver, seated. little bit more. You can tell.
So from a passenger point of view, I feel a bit more secure in this than I do in the Esprit.
Yeah, I think because this is a newer car and technology obviously has come a long way since they, I think the purpose of the two cars are very similar in terms of the Evora and the Esprit. They're both sort of touring car, good for touring, supposed to be fairly comfortable, but this just feels more able. And I don't know whether that's because the components in this are, just newer, more modern.
Okay, that's a bit, you're throwing me around a little bit.
Yeah, I'm practicing driving and talking. It's important for TopGear, Alex. It's what they do. Driving and talking.
Oh my god! It's not scare the shit out of my wife. PPF.
Just driving a bit slowly because we have no PPF and it's not my car.
Back on the road again now. The guys have done all their drone footage and we're still f***ing waiting for f***ing Charlie. Charlie, when you see this, I want you to appreciate how I feel at this very moment in time. Not the time when we're sitting there drinking a beer, because that's a good time. This time, right now, this here, that I'm experiencing is f***ing shit. Get your act together, okay, and f***ing keep up, please. Because Jules is sitting in my wing mirror like a little cretin, like a little crab, okay? He sits there and he just gnaws away at your soul because you're waiting for somebody else to catch up. So please, Charlie, find it in your heart of hearts to keep up. Otherwise, you're going to get a reputation for yourself. And I don't mean the type that you assume that you're going to get for yourself, okay? So, anyway, back to a little bit more about the cars. Obviously, I mentioned that Jules is in the Series 2 Elise. We're in the 997 Gen 1 GT3. Charlie is in a car that he can't even call his own. He's borrowed it. Whether or not he's having financial issues, I don't know. But James Martin has kindly lent Charlie his car. He's not actually struggling for cash. He's fine. He's flush. He's bought the last 6 rounds. James has kindly lent Charlie the car. So actually we're just crossing the border back into England and into Northumberland. England's a border country, which is beautiful. The scenery is lovely, the sun's out. Obviously we're up north, so that's quite rare. And still waiting for Charlie. He's not managed to escape Alex's grasp just yet. She's probably got him by the balls.